everybody, it's me, Ivy. So sorry it's been so long. First, TMI, had my period. Then, we had a snowstorm. We're still gonna have some snow this weekend, or this week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, and whatever. The weather keeps changing, whichever we're gonna have. We're gonna have more snow. But we're okay. We had a lot of snow, but we're all good. We still have snow some places, but yeah. So that's what's happening. And plus, I didn't know what to film. It's so hard without having a planner and didn't know what to film for this year. So just a very, very, very slow start. And I hope you guys are still sticking around. And yeah. So, anyways, I have a Birchbox to show you. I got this last Friday. The mail lady was late. She came around 4 or something. We have a new milk person that's, yeah. I missed the old one. It came around 2. Anyways, so I've been holding on to this, and let's get started. So this month is, of course, Valentine's, and they did some people's spread some love kind of thing they did. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the shampoo and conditioner. These guys, I had to because our we all share this one mailbox thingy with slots, so it's cold. So they were pretty not like frozen, but damp. Anyways, these guys is a shampoo. Anyways, these guys are moisturizers. God, Jesus. Whew, excuse me. Ow, that really hurt. Anyways, these guys are moisturizers. Of course, great for our vacation because, this hair haven't been washed because I haven't worked last 2 Tuesdays. Anyways, shampoo is $12 for full size. Conditioner is $17 for full size. So I'm excited for that. And then one thing I got that I wanted to have in my box, and it's this Sunday under eye creamer. It brightens and depuffs eyes. It smooths fine lines. And this puppy is, for full size, is $65. That is expensive. So it's just this little guy. I needed some because I still have some in here. This thing here. But I'm running low, so thank God. Okay, just fall. Okay, next 2 things I'm going to show is this MAC Cosmetic lip gloss, and oh baby, finding a lip product except mascara all the time. Oh Jesus! Wow, that is tough. I open it to see what the color is and all that stuff. So it's just, and this pretty color. So yeah, very pretty. I might use this. Put this on my lip and put this together, or the other one. So just add some color or something, because I haven't had lip gloss in a very long time. So yeah, but it's very pretty. Anyways, and that is for full size is $17.50, and then little guy is this. And this is slide this mini fiber optic glove onto your finger to remove or touch up your lipstick or eyeshadow. It works with just water. Simply wet the glove and target the specific area. So you can use it for cleaning your eye makeup or whatever, or just touch up, even make a boo boo, that kind of stuff. So that's kind of cool. It's so cute. So this one is for full size. It's $3.99. That's actually not bad for a full size. $3.99. That's a really good price compared to this guy. Anyways, that's all I got. I'll just show you here, just in case so that's what I got for my February. And I really like it. And anyways, I hope you guys forgive me and like this video. And also give me some suggestions. Wow, that was too many S's. On what you want to see for rest of February and next month. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. Click on the notification. Oh my God. Click on that bell for notifications. It's been a long time since I filmed, so forgive me. I think that's about it. Yeah. So, I love you guys, and yeah. Bye.